Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hoping that you are all guys are fine along with your family. This is AG sir, lecturer, Department of Biology, St. Gregory's High School and College. Topic we are going to discuss today is kidney stone. It's a very important topic to discuss, and for that reason I have made a total separate video or trying to take a class in this topic. So let's start it. Your kidneys remove waste and fluid from your blood to make urine. Sometimes when you have too much of certain wastes and not enough fluid in your blood, these wastes can build up and stick together in your kidneys. These clumps of waste are called kidney stones. You can see the diagram in the presentation. Kidney stones are hard deposits made of minerals and salts that form inside your kidneys. So what are the causes and symptoms of kidney disease or kidney stone? Symptoms. A kidney stone usually will not cause symptoms until it moves around within your kidney or passes into your ureters. Ureters, the tubes that connecting the kidneys and the bladder. If it becomes lodged in the ureters, it may block the flow of urine and cause the kidney to swell and the ureter to spasm, which can be very painful. At that point, you may experience the signs and symptoms: sharp pain in back or in your lower abdomen, pain or burning sensation while urinating, blood in urine, nausea and vomiting. So what are the causes? Why do we have these kidney stones in our kidney? Definitely there are certain causes for that. Let's get into that. Anyone can get a kidney stone, but some people are more likely than others to have them. Men get kidney stones more often than women do. Kidney stones often have no definite single cause, although several factors may increase your risk. Kidney stones form when your urine contains more crystal forming substance such as calcium, oxalate and uric acid than the fluid in your urine can dilute. You may also be more likely to have kidney stones if you don't drink enough water or fluid, follow a high diet in protein, sodium or sugar, overweight or obese, take certain medicines such as diuretics that can increase the urine flow, or calcium based antacids. If someone in your family has had kidney stones, you are more likely to develop stones too. So these are the reasons why we can get affected by kidney stones, or we can have kidney stones in our ureters or in our kidney. You might have some other reasons to have a kidney stone. If you found another one, please let me know. So there would be a question that is there any other treatment to avoid this kidney stone or to get cure of this kidney stone? Yes, there are some treatments of it. The treatment for a kidney stone depends on the size of the stone, what it is made of, whether it is causing pain and whether it is blocking urinary tract. To answer these questions and to figure out the right treatment, doctor might ask to have a urine test, blood test, X-ray or CT scan. If test results show that kidney stone is small, doctor may ask you to take some medicine, painkiller, and drink plenty of fluids or water to help push the stone through the urinary tract. If kidney stone is large or it is blocking urinary tract, additional treatment may be necessary. So these are the treatments you can take when you are suffering by kidney stone. I hope you guys have understood what I mean to say in this class, and still if you have any question, any doubt, you are encouraged to ask in the comment box. Please do ask. That will help me to realize are you doing the class or not, or what are you trying to get understand from this class. It will help me a lot. So boys, I hope you have understood the class very well. Please take a note of this class, of this lecture, and share it with me in the comment box. And please, if you are doing this class, encourage your friends of your class to do this class as well. Tell them to do this class. Tell them to do all the online classes regularly, and tell them that we are keeping a note which boys are doing our classes regularly, and when the class will open, when the schools will open, definitely it will come into limelight, or we will discuss about it, and the students who are doing the class regularly definitely would get rewarded. So that's it for today. Stay home, stay safe, and if you have any urgency, want to go outside, wear a mask. Thank you boys. Bye.